2013 is the year when Google truly emerged as the ultimate Big Brother tour de force and signalled its intention to transform itself into a real-life Skynet system. And to cap such a year, the tech giant has chosen an Illuminati theme for its New Year's Eve celebrations. Internet users who go to google.com today are met with this seemingly fun, festive and frolicking 2013/14 graphic. Of course, it doesn't take long to realise that there's a pyramid in the background capped by an all-seeing eye represented as a disco ball. The all-seeing eye atop the pyramid being the symbol of the Illuminati, also seen on the $1 bill. So Google is celebrating the fact that in 2013 it has emerged as the pioneer of a transhumanist future where microphones will hang from your ceiling and microchips will be implanted in your brain. All for your own convenience and pleasure, of course. There was also an Illuminati-themed celebration in Sydney earlier today, which has already heralded the arrival of 2014 with an all-seeing eye-themed fireworks display. According to promotional material for the City of Sydney 2013 ceremony, the all-seeing, ever-sparkling eye symbolises one community and one shared vision. So is this all just one big coincidence? Or is the Illuminati again laughing in our faces, announcing that 2014 will be their year? Let me know in the comments below. Check us out on Twitter at twitter.com/prisonplanet. This is Paul Joseph Watson reporting for Infowars.com.